In this question, we're looking at data about the solar cell which is installed on the roof of a house. And in order to work out the mode and the median, we first of all need to think about writing out our data as a list. So to do that, I'm just going to go through the data, crossing off the lowest value as I write it down. And our final piece of data is 0.358. Now, which of these bits of data comes up the most often? That's the one which is going to be the mode. And the mode in this case is 0.340. The reason for that is it comes up twice, whereas all the other bits of data only come up once. To work out the median, well, this is going to be our middle value in the list. And that's why it's nice to kind of write it out like this. I've got 7 values, so the fourth one down is going to be my middle value, which again is equal to 0.340. So that's all it is, a small amount of data analysis. But again, it's an important skill that you need to have mastered when it comes to just, being confident about your math skills for GCSE Physics.